Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana, nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. Yun po, at alam ko naman po yung mga iba dyan, sa mga lugar niyo ay patulog na po kayo at medyo busy po kayo sa inyong mga ginagawa kanina buong araw. Lalo na po sa ating mga kapatid dyan sa Middle East. Ayan po. Salamat, salamat sa paghintay at salamat din po sa mga mag-view pa. This is just 12 minutes video. And thank you again. Thank you so much for the share and the likes. And of course, those who are present in our live chat, thank you so much. And those who are replaying, maraming salamat ulit. Okay? So before we continue with our topic, I would like to ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. Ayan po. Third day na po tayo. This is gonna be the third day of our lecture about top 15 calcium-rich foods and many are non-dairy. Ayan po. So na-discuss na po natin yung seeds, na-discuss na po natin yung cheese, and then we have yogurt. And then number 4 is we have the sardines and canned salmon. And kahapon po, ang last na discuss po natin is some beans and lentils. So those are a few, first 5 na mga good sources of calcium. Okay? And let's proceed po sa number 6, which is almonds or almonds. Almendra sa sa Espanyol. Okay? Almonds or almond. Okay? Of all nuts, almond or almond are among the highest in calcium. Mataas po ang calcium level po ng almond. Just 1 ounce, which is 28 grams of almond, or about 23 nuts, usually 23 pieces po niyan, ang 1 ounce. Okay? It delivers 6% of the daily value. Wait, baby. Okay? 6% of the daily value. Almonds can provide 3.5 grams of fiber per ounce, or 28, 1 ounce per is 28 grams, okay? As well as healthy fats and proteins. Healthy fats po ang almond. Okay? In addition, they are an excellent source of magnesium, manganese, and vitamin E. Okay? Eating nuts may help us lower blood pressure, body fat, multiple and other risk factors of metabolic diseases. Okay, so in summary of almonds, almonds are high in nutrients like healthy fats, proteins, magnesium, and magnesium. Okay, 1 ounce, which is 25 grams of almond or 23 nuts, delivers 6% of the daily value of calcium. And I also would like to recommend the almond milk as a good source, as a good milk instead of just taking the dairy milk. Especially if you have a son or a teenager, which is a boy, because usually if you take soy products or soy milks, they will increase the estrogen level. Okay, so that's on my own opinion because I have researched, especially in the Oriental medicine area, wherein we have a lot of mentors saying about or discussing about soy products as it has a specific ingredient there that blocks the reuptake of nutrients. Okay, hopefully I will discuss that one of these days. Okay, but it's gonna be a big argument because I don't want to be like doing specific lectures wherein there's a lot of like people that will really say the opposite things, or people that discuss that they counter what you call that they have their own other versions too. So I just want to have just want to discuss things that are like common and doesn't need arguments. Okay, all right. So number 7 is whey protein. Are you familiar with whey protein, mga masters, mga G? Whey is a type of protein found in milk. that has been well studied for its potential health benefits. Okay? Sa mga usually, ang mga nag-workout po ay palagi po nagtitake ng whey protein. Okay? It's also an excellent protein source of and full of rapidly digested amino acids which help promote muscle growth and recovery. That's why po ito po ay ginagamit palagi ng mga nagji-gym o nagwo-workout. The whey is also exceptionally rich in calcium. Okay? A 1.2 ounce or 33 gram scoop of whey protein powder isolate. So whey protein powder isolate po ang ginagamit. Contains approximately 160 milligrams or 12% of the daily value of calcium. Okay? So maganda po ang whey when it comes to muscle building. Okay? And of course, in summary, whey protein is exceptionally healthy protein source and contains approximately 12% of the daily value of calcium in each 1.2 ounces or 33 grams per scoop. Okay? So number 8. Number 8 na po tayo ha. Okay, leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables are incredibly healthy. Of course, they're very healthy, and that's what G is taking. And that's G's diet, green leafy vegetables. Okay? And many of them are high in calcium. The green leafy vegetables, many of them are high in calcium, mga masters and mga ka-G. Okay? Including collard greens. That's G's favorite. One of G's favorite vegetable is collard green. And spinach and kale. Ayan po. Yan po usually ang laman po ng kanyang meal ng G natin, sa kanyang Okay? So and then for instance, 1 cup or 150 grams of cooked collard greens has 268 milligrams of calcium, or about 21% of the amount that you need in a day. O, di ba? 21% na. Pag kumain ka po ng 260 ng 1 cup, 1 cup lang po ng collard greens na yan ay makakapagbigay na po sa iyo ng 21% of the daily value of calcium per day. So malaki na po yung mabibigay sa atin. Note that some varieties such as spinach are high in oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds that bind the calcium to impair its absorption. So meron po siya mga oxalates na kung minsan po ay hindi po siya maganda kasi sinastop niya or pinapa-delay niya po ang absorption. Okay? So therefore, although spinach is rich in calcium, it is not absorbed as well as the other calcium-rich greens that are low in oxalates, such as kale and collard greens. So, ang maganda po is kale and collard greens po mga masters. Okay? Ang spinach daw ay rich in calcium pero hindi naman siya ma-absorb dahil po meron po siyang oxalates. In summary, some leafy greens are rich in calcium, including collard greens, such as which contains 21% of the daily value in each cooked cup of 190 grams. However, certain leafy greens contains oxalates which can decrease the absorption of calcium. So kung kailangan nyo pala mga masters at mga ka-G ng calcium at kung may problema kayo po sa inyong calcium level, hindi pala po very advisable ang spinach. Marami ka makukuha ng mga benefits sa spinach, mga masters, mga ka-G, pero hindi pala na-absorb ng mabuti ang calcium pag kumakain ka ng spinach because of its oxalate. Okay? Number 9, which is I'm not familiar of, is the rhubarb. Rhubarb ito yung is rich in fiber. Hindi ko alam kung anong rhubarb. Personally, hindi ko to alam. Okay, rhubarb is rich in fiber, vitamin K, calcium, and smaller amounts of vitamins and minerals. It also contains prebiotic fiber, a type of fiber that can promote the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut. Okay, yung prebiotic, nako, maganda yun ang rhubarb. Like spinach, rhubarb is high in oxalates. Unfortunately, may oxalates po siya. Taas. So much of the calcium is not absorbed. So hindi lang ma-absorb yung mga calcium nito. Mabuti. In fact, one 2015 study found that your body can only absorb about 5% of calcium found in the rhubarb. Okay, pag kumain ka ng rhubarb, only 5% po ang na-absorb. That's because it has a very high in oxalate. Well, on the other hand, even if you're only absorbing a small amount, rhubarb is still a source of calcium with 105 milligrams of calcium per cup. Okay? So, usually 120 grams po yan. 122 grams of kung raw rhubarb yung kakainin mo. And about 8% of its daily value of calcium per day. Okay, in summary, rhubarb is high in fiber, in vitamin K, and other nutrients, and also contains calcium, although only a small amount is absorbed by the body. Alright? So, sa mga hindi nakakilala ng rhubarb, ito po itsura ng rhubarb, mga masters. Ayan po may light. Ayan, hindi ko lang po ito mapapakita ng mabuti. Okay? Ito po ang rhubarb. Yan, parang ganun po siya, mga masters at mga ka-G. Alright, so hanggang dito lang po tayo at maraming salamat po sa inyong full love and support. Ito po sa ating G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Kita-kits tayo sa ating mga susunod na mga activities. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-join kagabi sa ating Premier Marathon sa Bahay Kulitan. Ngayon po ay nasa Team Puyaters na naman tayo, Premier Promotion ng Team Puyaters. And see you again sa Thursday and sa ating Premier Bahay Kulitan. Sa Friday naman po, ako naman po ulit ang host sa 8 o'clock ng gabi, Philippine time sa Team Puyaters. And see you again, 11 o'clock ng Sunday, 11 a.m. Sunday. Ako naman ang host sa Bahay Kulitan. This is your one and only Master Worm G. Maraming salamat. God is great. Yahoo!